Yeah, today I'm gonna change the cabin filters on my '06 BMW 530i. See, that's the one I bought some STP. Number comes with two. So yeah, the arrows always go up. I always forget to mention that. This is pretty easy. It's got one on this side, one on this side. It's got a little plastic. I think it's a half drive. You give it a quarter turn. Yep, and that's it. It's loosened up. So long with this little wire thing. You do that, and then that's it. Pop it up. Good to go. Flip it over. For some reason, this one on this side didn't have one. So yeah. Should get these filters and. Like I said, it goes with the when you put it in, you put it with the arrow facing down, but it's gonna be up. Put it with the little sponge thing to the front. Bend the tabs, push it in, and you're good to go. And that's how it goes. Gotta do is repeat like I said, the arrow's pointing up, like down. Down. Either or, something like that. But I made a mistake, my bad. But yeah, here goes something like that, and just set it back in. Click it back in. And then the half drive socket or whatever you got. Lock it in place. And that's it. Good to go. Like I said, same thing on the other side. You unhinge it from one side. It's got the little hard drive plastic nut right there. That's it. Comes loose. Pull it right out. Let me see, this one does have it, so let me make sure I didn't set it in the wrong way. Yeah, I think I did. So okay, it goes with the arrow pointing down. So when you set it, it's gotta be pointing up. So yeah, my bad. Like I said, you put it pointing, put the arrow pointing up. But when you set it in, it's gonna be pointing down. Airflow. That's how you do it. Quick and easy. Hope this one helps you. All right. Thank you. Bye.